Hello, welcome back to my channel. Crystal here. Gonna put together a quick daily spread with these lovely, gorgeous stickers from Simply Smith Stickers. She's got some kits that include boxes, the florals, some washi as well, bullet points. Really, really pretty. So I thought I would make this one nice and simple. That's one of the things I love about these kits is that you can really assemble a spread rather quickly. I'm going to go ahead and drop that. Oh, I'm going to turn it. There we go. Just like that. And these are the Gentle Blossoms. These are actually a very stunning set of florals. I'm really, really loving these. I'm going to go ahead and drop this. I think I'm going to leave my butterfly, guys, because the butterfly kind of matches with the whole scheme of things. Maybe not. I know, I never can make up my mind. Never can make up my mind. I think I'm going to turn this box up, though. I have found with most of the small sticker shops, you do not want to lay your stickers down until you decided where you're going to place them, because the adhesive that's on their stickers is a lot stickier than the adhesive for the main, I would say the main stage stickers, you know, the big sticker companies. And forgive my nails, they're peeling off, and I don't know what I did, but I've got an ingrown fingernail or something there, and boy howdy does it hurt. Boy howdy does it hurt. I really like this striped one, and I am a sticker cutter. You guys been following me for any amount of time, you know I like to cut them stickers apart. I feel like it gives me more opportunity for layering when I use one box in several different ways. Chrissy, I love these florals and the boxes. Amazing job. Amazing job. I feel like I should maybe, yeah, I think I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to grab, yeah, this light pink, and I feel like I should layer it out a little ways. But maybe put another flower in there. So hold on, let me find my little flower sheets. I feel like, yeah, I think I'm gonna layer it underneath. I don't know why I want to do that, but I do. Oh, I'm like, where's my cutter at? It's called a X-Acto, guys. I know, but for whatever reason, I forgot. I'm going to go ahead and cut that. I know. I already laid it down, so it may stick. Oh, nice. It's not. I'm not very good at cutting these. I know I've shared it before, but D Planner Babe is really great at sticker surgery, you guys. She's like, I don't know, she's like a pro. She's my hero when it comes to sticker surgery. All right, back to Chrissy Lee. She's got a great little shop. She does releases regularly. She's a regular releaser. So if you've not yet had the opportunity to go check out her shop, I highly recommend you do it. She's got some really great product, you guys. Really great product. And she caters to several different types of planners. She just recently started doing box sheets, just sheets of boxes now. So definitely pop out there and check out her goodies. Check out her goodies. I'm actually gonna add this tracker down here at the bottom because I've been trying really hard to, I don't need both of them for one day. I've been trying really hard though to increase my O2, not my O2, my H2O. Can you increase your O2? Drop it in the comments for me, guys. Let me know. Can you guys increase your O2? I can't. I can't increase my O2. And I'm not going to make this a to-do list. I'm going to make this a don't forget list. There we go. What a beautiful, beautiful, quick and easy spread. I'm loving these stripes in these florals. Beautiful job, Chrissy Lee. As always, great product. Super quick, super easy, and super pretty. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you've not yet had the chance, please go out and hit the subscribe button. Be on the lookout. Got a collaboration coming up with the Right Place channel for a sticker challenge. Well, a sticker plan with me challenge. I don't know what you would call it. We're gonna let you guys pick a couple sticker books, and we're both gonna use them in the same spread. So yeah, just be watching. Just be watching the story on Instagram for all of the fun, cool things that are coming. And thank you all for helping me hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. Also, be ready for a video coming about a giveaway for that. And I never, ever got Cassie's response in my last giveaway. So this giveaway is going to be even larger because I have stuff from that giveaway to give away. Lots of giveaway. All right. Chrissy, thank you so much for these beautiful, beautiful stickers and for sharing your talent with us. I'll put her link in the description below in the, in the description for the video. Ciao for now. Thanks for hanging out, guys.